Hi student, myself Sandeep Singh. I will teach you chemistry portion of science subject. Student, what is chemistry? You know that what is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of properties, composition and structure of matter. Student, there are three sections in science subject of class 10th. First one is physics, second one is chemistry, third one is biology. In chemistry section there are 5 chapters. First one is chemical reactions and equations. Second one is acids, bases and salts. Third one is metals and non-metals. Fourth one is carbon and its compounds. Fifth one is periodic classification of elements. Student, we will start first chapter, chemical reaction and equations. In this chapter we will study first what is change. Student, you know that what is change? Student, the process of making something different is known as change. For example, melting of ice. You student, you know that when we melt ice, it converted into water, so it is a change. Evaporation of water also is a change. Dissolution of sugar in water also is a change. Burning of paper is a change. Souring of milk is a change. Cooking of food is a change. Student, there are two types of changes which take place around us. First one is physical changes and second one is chemical changes. Physical changes. What is physical changes? Those changes in which no new chemical substances are formed are called physical changes. Listen carefully, student. Those changes in which no new chemical substances are formed are called physical changes. For example, melting of ice. Student, you know that when we melt ice, there is no formation of new substance. Only state of ice change and it converted into water and become liquid. For example, evaporation of water, dissolution of sugar in water is examples of change, physical change. Chemical changes. Student, you know that chemical changes, the change in which nature and identity of the initial substance change and new substances are formed with different properties are known as chemical change. Listen carefully, student. The change in which nature and identity of the initial substance change and new substances are formed with different properties are known as chemical change. For example, student, you know that when milk is sour, then milk have different property, so it is a chemical change. Formation of curd from milk. Student, you know that milk have different property from curd, so it is a chemical change. Like this, burning of paper also is a chemical change. Fermentation of sugarcane also is a chemical change. Digestion of food also is a chemical change. And rusting of iron articles also is a chemical change. Properties of chemical change. Student, you know that a chemical change are those change in which new chemical substances are formed. So a chemical change have different properties. First one is it is permanent and accompanied by a chemical reaction. Chemical change is a permanent change and accompanied by a chemical reaction. That means chemical change परमानेंट चेंज होते हैं एंड ये केमिकल रिएक्शन के थ्रू कंप्लीट होते हैं. इट इज़ ए normally accompanied by energy transfer, that is gain or loss of energy in some form like heat, light or electricity and so on. Third one, chemical changes may involve change in physical state, change in color, evolution of a gas, formation of a precipitate, and change in temperature. Student, we know that what is the property of chemical change? Thus we will define chemical reactions. What is chemical reactions? The process in which new substances whose property differ from those of the reactants are formed are known as chemical reactions. Listen carefully, students. The process in which new substances whose property differ from those of the reactants are formed are known as chemical reactions. Student, you may define chemical reaction in other words. The process involving in a chemical change is called a chemical reactions. Simply you can define the process involving in a chemical change is called a chemical reactions. Student, there are different examples of chemical reactions. First one is burning of magnesium ribbon in air. Student, you know that burning of magnesium ribbon in air is a chemical reactions because it explains the process of burning of magnesium ribbon in air. Burning of magnesium ribbon in air is a chemical reaction. Magnesium and oxygen react and form magnesium oxide. Here magnesium and oxygen is a reactants. They react and form magnesium oxide, which is a product. You can also write down this reaction in molecular form. 2Mg plus O2 से फॉर्म होगा 2MgO मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. Second example of chemical reaction is rusting of iron. Iron, moist air react and they form rust. Thus it is a chemical reaction. You can also write in molecular form. Iron plus oxygen and water, they react and form rust. Third one is reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Lead nitrate react with potassium iodide. Both are colorless solution and they form lead iodide, which are a yellow solid, and potassium nitrate, which is colorless. You can write in molecular formula. PbNO3 whole twice react with potassium iodide 2Ki and form PbI2, yellow precipitate of potassium iodide and potassium nitrate. Another example is respiration. Respiration also is a chemical reaction because in which glucose react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide, water and energy. It is also written in molecular form. Student, here I will stop the topic and we will start further next day from here. Thank you.